Often, some of these questions pop up in your mind while you're thinking of designing or renovating your living room. How do I organize or design my living room? What are all the requirements I should take into consideration while designing my living room? Will all my requirements get accommodated in the living area? Then, last but not the least, what cost I will have to incur while designing the living room? Here we are to answer some of these questions. Hello friends, welcome to Spatium Solutions, adding value to your space. I am Abhishek Patil, the interior designer at Spatium Solutions. We have 3 years of experience to design the spaces across Pune. We have started this YouTube channel just to inform you about the modern trends and new techniques in interior designing. We plan to do this by showing you the videos of the things which we have designed in past and the details of how we have did it. And we will also share the estimate or the cost which we will have to consider while designing the same space. I'm sure you will recall this video when you personally are trying to design your home space. So let's get started with today's topic. Living room interior design. Living room is a space which comforts each and everyone in the family. It is a place where everyone along with your guests should feel welcomed. It should be designed with utmost care because it is something which reflects your personality. Broadly, we can classify the living rooms into 3 categories. First is small, second is medium, third is large. Small size can be around 100 to 120 square feet, medium size can be around 120 to 180 square feet, and large size can be anything greater than 180 square feet. In India, as per the recent trend, most of the living rooms are medium or small. You can say around 80% can be medium to small. So today what we will discuss is a medium sized living room. So let's look at some of the common requirements in living room. First is TV unit, which is must for any living room. Then 5 to 6 seater sofa, then center table, false ceiling, electrification of false ceiling, luster paint, curtains and decorative items, etc. So now let's see how we have incorporated these requirements in our 2 sites. The first site we will be looking at is Audumbur Society in Warje, Pune. This is a classic example of elegantly designed TV unit. It has a wooden paneling for mounting the TV. Cove light around the paneling reflects on the wall, giving it a warm and soothing effect. Profile LED strip is provided on the ledge above the panel, which focuses and highlights the artifacts displayed on the shelf. Also, the provision of 2 niches with focus lights highlights the artifacts displayed inside it. On the other side of paneling, 4 rafters are provided to enhance the look of the TV unit. A flower vase with white and golden flowers further enriches the look of the rafters. This is how the overall TV unit looks like. Sofa in this room acts like a highlighter. Curved handle gives it a rich look. Cushions used on the sofa for backrest are of off-white color and light pink color, which soothes down the dark tone of red color sofa. Single rod curtain with light grey color has been used, which goes well with the neutral color theme of the whole room. A Duco painted and CNC cut Ganesha is provided, which gives a semi-ethnic feel to the room. Coming to false ceiling and lighting aspect of the room, cube lights are given to focus on the wall, curtains and TV panel. Panel LED lights are given for general lighting of the living room. Cove LED strips lights are provided for a warm effect. Let's see how the complete space looks like. Now, So let's see the cost aspect of this room. TV unit, which is made of plywood and laminate, this will cost you around 40 to 50,000. Then the sofa, 3 plus 2 seater sofa. This if you make it in good fabric like Sarom or D-Decor and all, will roughly cost you 35 to 40,000. Then center table will cost you around 12 to 15,000. Then the false ceiling, if you we use Saint Gobain sheets. So Saint Gobain Gyproc sheets, if good quality material and all is used, then for this area roughly it will cost you around 20 to 25,000. Then comes electrification. Now in electrification, it will we will consider lights, panel lights, which are of 12 to 15 watt. Then there are LED lights, then the chokes used in LED, then the cobe lights, like it can be of 3 watt, 6 watt, it depends. And then other than the light part, then there are like switches, then there is labor, then there is fittings and all. So considering all this, with a living room, there we will consider that there are quite a lot of points which you get in living room. So it will roughly cost you around 17 to 20,000. Then luster paint for this living room can be around 20 to 25,000. Then curtains, single rod curtains, full length single rod curtains for 2 windows, as you have seen in this site, it will roughly cost you around 5 to 8,000. Then the decorative items will roughly cost you around 5 to 6,000, which will include Ganesha, the flower vase, the flowers in that, artifacts, etc. And for this you will have to, if you consider designer fees, then designer will roughly charge around 12 to 20,000 for this. So in all, you will have to spend around 1.66 lakhs to 2.09 lakhs in Nanded city, Pune. We got our inspiration for this TV unit from Chocolate Bar and KitKat. The paneling is of chocolate bar shape on which TV will be mounted. We have used Duco paint to paint the grooves. A small storage and a space for set-top boxes provided below the paneling. A KitKat shaped rafters with 3 pendant lights in between them enhances the look of the unit. Artifacts can be kept on the shelves above the paneling and in 3 niches besides the rafters. Here we have used double rod curtains. One is white and golden type net type, and other is golden fabric. This makes the space look royal. This is how the overall TV unit looks like. Coming to the sofa, a Sarom fabric brown colored 4 plus 2 seater sofa has been made. It precisely suits the neutral theme of the hall. Piping work on sofa handles makes it look beautiful. Off-white and golden color cushions brings out the good look of sofa. 2 golden throw cushions are kept as a highlighter. A small vase and a golden colored flower is kept on the center table. Along with the false ceiling, a fancy chandelier is mounted in the center, which gives aspect of this project. We can get this is quite a big TV unit. So this TV unit will cost you roughly around 50 to 60,000. Then the sofa, which is again of Sarom fabric, but this is a 6-seater sofa, so this will cost you around 42,000 to 48,000. The center table will cost you around 7 to 8,000. Then the false ceiling 25,000 again. Electrification, as you can see, with respect to previous, when we compare with previous project, here there is much more lighting. Then there is a small chandelier in between the two POP designs. So this we have used quite more lights to bring out the good effect. So it will cost you around 20 to 25,000. Then luster paint, the area is bit big, so this compared to the previous one, this will cost you around 25 to 28,000. Then now here we have used double rod curtains, so the cost will also multiply 2 times almost. So it will cost you around 12 to 20,000. Then decorative items like vase, then artifacts, so these will cost you around 3 to 4,000. And then the designer, as this is a bit complicated work, the designer will charge you around 18 to 25,000. So to sum it up, we will have to bear around 1,97,000 to 2,40,000 to get the same look of living room. Again, let me remind you that these are very nominal rates. It depends upon a lot of factors like material selection, then the place where this comes from, then you have to also give a disclaimer that interior is a very vast field and wide variety of designs and selections are available. So in that case, we can't sum it up a single figure. So this is a nominal figure which we are trying to give you. At the end, budget is going to depend upon the material selection, then the experience of the contractor and the design which you select. So as you have seen that the two projects costs, the area is almost same, but they will cost different because of material selection, the design and all. So this is the difference what I'm talking about. So next week we shall look into the design and specification of these spaces and how we arrived at the design and how you should plan your living room. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell button so that you don't forget to get updates from us. Thank you so much.